Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find someone's location on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been wondering whether you can check out somebody's location on Instagram or not, partially you can. So for example, when I'm doing a post, for example, let me make a post over here. I'm gonna go ahead, choose a picture. I'm going to tap on next, and I'm gonna simply go ahead, tap on next again. Then in the section of add location, I'm going to tap and add in a location. Once I have added the location and I've shared this post, whoever sees my post, they will check out the location as well. They will be able to see the location on the picture as well. So if the person you're trying to see the location of has done it, has added a location on their post, certainly, then you will be able to check out on the post, and you will be able to certainly check out their location. But any other way you will not be able to, because it does not work as Snapchat for you to check out the location, and that is only available method on Instagram. So unfortunately this is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.